Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Improve English Talk, a calm place to practice real life English slowly together.
Hello, Sarah, and hello to all our listeners today. We're really happy you're here with us.
Many people want to learn English, but they feel nervous when they listen or when they try to understand.
Yes, sometimes English feels too fast, too difficult, or too stressful.
And that's why we're here today.
This conversation is slow, clear, and easy to follow.
You don't need to understand every word. Just listen and relax.
You can listen again, pause if you want, and learn at your own speed.
Let's start with daily life, simple moments that happen every day.
Daily life is where we really use English.
Mark, what is one simple thing you did today?
Today, I woke up early and made some coffee.
That's a very normal daily life moment.
Yes, simple, but nice.
And this is easy English. You can say, I woke up early. I made coffee.
Short sentences, real life, real English.
Let's continue and talk more about daily life in slow, simple English. Mark, when you wake up in the morning, how do you usually feel?
It depends. Some mornings I feel tired, and some mornings I feel calm.
Yes, many people feel that way.
Sometimes I don't want to get out of bed, but I do it anyway.
That sounds very real.
After I wake up, I sit quietly for a few minutes.
Just sitting, doing nothing?
Yes, no phone, no messages, just breathing.
That's a nice habit.
It helps me feel ready for the day.
So you can say, I wake up, I sit quietly, I feel calm.
Very simple sentences, but very useful.
And after that, what do you usually do?
I go to the kitchen and make coffee.
Coffee is very important for many people.
Yes, very important.
You can say, I make coffee, I drink coffee.
Or I drink tea. I eat breakfast.
There is no right or wrong, just your daily life.
Your life, your routine, your English.
Let's keep going and talk more about simple moments in daily life. So Mark, after your morning, after coffee, what happens next?
Well, I usually start work around 9.
Do you feel ready at that time?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It depends on the day.
That's very honest.
I sit at my desk, open my laptop, and check my emails.
So you can say, I start work, I open my laptop, I check my emails.
Yes, simple actions, simple English.
Some people feel stressed during the day.
That's true. Work can feel busy or noisy.
What do you do when you feel stressed?
I stop, take a breath, and drink some water.
That's a good habit.
It helps me feel a little better.
You can say, I feel busy, I feel stressed, I take a break.
Breaks are important, even small ones.
What about lunch?
Lunch is my favorite time.
Many people feel that way.
I eat something simple and talk with colleagues.
So you can say, I eat lunch, I talk with people.
Daily life English is everywhere.
Let's continue and look at the rest of the day, slowly, together. As the day continues, many people start to feel a little tired.
Yes, in the afternoon, my energy goes down, just a little.
That happens to many of us.
I try to slow down and focus on one small task.
That's a good idea.
When I do one thing at a time, I feel less stressed.
You can say, I feel tired, I slow down, I focus.
Simple words, but very useful.
What happens when work ends?
That's a nice moment. I close my laptop and stand up.
That sounds good.
I leave work and go home.
Many people feel happy at that time.
Yes, even small things feel nice.
You can say, I finish work, I go home, I feel relaxed.
Going home is a simple joy.
Daily life is full of these moments, if we notice them.
Yes, we don't need big events.
Let's move forward and talk about the evening and quiet time. Evenings are different. The day feels slower.
Yes, in the evening, I finally feel more relaxed.
What do you usually do when you get home?
First, I take off my shoes and sit down.
That small moment feels very good.
Yes, it feels like the day is finished.
Many people rush, even in the evening.
That's true, but I try not to rush.
That's a healthy habit.
Sometimes I cook, sometimes I order food. It depends.
That sounds very real.
After dinner, I like to do something quiet.
Like what?
I listen to music or watch something simple, or just sit.
You can say, I eat dinner. I listen to music. I relax.
Simple English for simple moments.
These quiet times are important for our mind.
Yes, they help us feel balanced.
And after the evening comes the end of the day, a time to slow down even more. At the end of the day, everything becomes quiet.
Yes, the noise goes down and the mind starts to rest.
This is a good time to think about the day.
I like to remember small moments, not big ones.
Like what?
A good coffee, a kind message, or a quiet walk.
Those small things matter a lot.
Yes, they help us feel thankful.
And this is English you can use every day.
Simple words, real life, real feelings.
You don't need perfect English.
You just need to keep listening and keep trying.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
If you enjoyed this calm conversation, please like and subscribe to improve English talk.
And tell us in the comments one simple thing that made you happy today.
We love reading your thoughts.
Until next time, keep practicing slowly and calmly.
Goodbye, everyone, and take care.